Hello everybody, just off the phone with a customer who was working on a multi-board design, and they were telling me that they generate an individual bill of materials for each PCB in the assembly. Then they take that data and merge it together in a spreadsheet editor. Now, not only is this a very time-consuming process, but it's also a manual process. So this is significantly going to increase any chance of a mistake being made. So I was very happy to tell them that this is a thing of the past now, because in Altium Designer 20, you can produce a bill of materials for the entire multi-board assembly in one go. So I'm just going to switch the camera around now and I'll give you a quick idea of what I was showing them.
This multi-board design is a mini PC made up of a motherboard, 2 memory cards and a Wi-Fi card. Now, each one of these child projects has an ActiveBOM document containing information on the components required for each PCB, and it's the outputs from these documents that the customer was manually piecing together in a spreadsheet. At the top, we have a high-level placeholder for the multi-board assembly itself, and we want to create an ActiveBOM for this rather than the individual child projects. Before we do this, we should check that all of the part choice information has been brought into the multi-board assembly by running edit update all parts. I've done this already, so when I right click on the multi-board design project, I can click add new ActiveBOM document, and this will ensure all of the part choice information will appear for us. So the data is loading the latest part choice information from Octopart, and we can see now everything is up to date. Now, the main difference to other ActiveBOM documents is the module assembly column. If I was to sort by this, we can see there are quite a lot of components that are used in more than one child PCB. Another benefit of using the same component across different boards is that we stand to benefit from price breaks due to the bulk purchase of components. I have an obsolete component used in 2 of the child PCBs, so I'll need to look into this. If we were to make some changes to the production quantity here, you can see that the price of the board jumps significantly when we bump this up to 100 boards. The last consideration here is our output, so we need to make sure that any templates used include the new module assembly column. My name's Tony from the Altium UK office. I hope you found this tech tip useful, and hopefully we'll see you on another one very soon. Bye for now.